Hey guys, my name is Adete. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share my top 4 setting powders that I keep in my pro kit. Before I tell you guys which setting powders I keep in my pro kit, it's very important to understand why do we need setting powders? Is it a necessary step in our makeup routine? And the short answer is yes, you need setting powders in your kit. Let me explain you why. Setting powders come in a variety of colors. They come in translucent shade, skin tone shades, and also colorful shades. Setting powders do a lot of things. Number one, it locks in your foundation and makes your foundation last a little bit longer. It prevents your makeup from moving or fading away. You can only do baking technique with the loose setting powder. That is, you take a generous amount of loose setting powder and you put it underneath your eyes or around the jaw area to prevent creasing, to control oils, or to define your face. It also corrects the foundation. Let's say you did a light layer of foundation all over your face, but there is some redness peeking through your cheeks. You can just take a green setting powder and apply it on that area. You will instantly see the green setting powder is cancelling out the redness on the cheeks. This is what setting powder does, and yes, it is very important to keep setting powders in your kit. And now I'm going to be talking about my top 4 setting powders that I keep in my pro kit. So India is very diverse in skin tone spectrum. If these powders are working on Indian skin and weather, it'll work anywhere in the world. I'm going to be classifying my powders into shade range, blurring and longevity, and also which skin type it is best for. I'm going to start with Huda Beauty Loose Baking and Setting Powder. This is my favorite setting powder. I have so many shades in my kit. Honestly, this setting powder is so blurring. It prevents creasing, and the shade range is amazing. You have skin tone shades and also you have brightening shades as well, brightening colorful shades. This is best for someone who has oily to combination skin. You can load up this product, you can do a lot of baking technique with this, but for the dry and mature skin, I would suggest that you don't do the baking technique. A light layer, a light dust of this powder will make your makeup last really long time. So this, I've noticed whenever I use this on somebody who has dry or mature skin, I do a light dust with this powder brush. I don't really pack on too much of this product on the face because it instantly dries the face up, and we don't want that. You don't want it to be very heavy or very cakey. So I do a very light application, but for the oily and combination skin, you can do baking, you can load up this product and the makeup will last throughout the day. So yeah, this is good for all skin types. Just be cautious when you're doing makeup on dry or you have dry or mature skin. Just do a light layer and your makeup will last really long time. So the next brand which I have in my pro kit is actually from a Thai beauty brand, and it's called Dazzle Me. Now let me just tell you one thing. This is a Paris filter powder. It is so blurring. It blurs the pores, it prevents creasing, it fades away fine lines and makes your makeup last so long. It totally makes sense because Thailand is very hot and humid, so it makes sense for a brand to release a setting powder which is like transfer proof and makes your base last a really long time. This is good for all skin types, works very well on dry, mature and oily and combination skin. However, the shade range, obviously it's a Thai brand, they don't really carry deeper skin tone shades, but I have noticed that the yellow tone shades can be used as a baking powder or a brightening powder underneath the eyes for someone who has deeper skin tone. And if you have to use all over the face, I feel the skin tones ranging from light to medium skin tones benefit a lot. For deeper skin tone, I just use this underneath the eyes to give sort of like lift and brightness. The next setting powder which I have in my pro kit is from Laura Mercier, and it's called Translucent Setting Powder. The shade range, I think there are only 4 shades. I wish there were more shades for deeper skin tone because honestly, the formula is so good for someone who has dry and mature skin. You can bake with this, you can define your jawline with this, you can brighten up your under eye using this powder. For oilier and combination skin, I will definitely not use this powder because I have noticed after a while the makeup sort of like lifts off and you have to reapply the powder. So this formula is not good for someone who has oily to combination skin, but a great formula for someone who has dry and mature skin. It blurs pores, makes your makeup stay longer, and it prevents creasing as well. So best for someone who has dry and mature skin. I only wish there were more shades in this. So another setting powder which I keep in my Pro Kit is from Makeup by Mario, and it's called Soft Blur Setting Powder. It's a talc-free formula and gives the beautiful natural finish to the skin. It's best for someone who has dry and mature skin. It blurs pores, makes your makeup last really long time. You can bake with this, you can really load up your face with this powder and it won't feel heavy or cakey, especially for dry and mature skin. However, for oily and combination skin, I would definitely stay away from this powder because the makeup is not gonna last on your skin for a really long time. If you have dry skin and you want the most natural finish and you want to do baking with this, you want to define your face, you want to brighten up your skin, then you definitely need to try Makeup by Mario. So these are my 4 best setting powders that I keep in my Pro Kit. Let me just summarize for you guys and tell you guys which powders are good for dry and mature skin and which one is good for oily and combination skin. So if you have dry and mature skin, stick with Makeup by Mario and Laura Mercier. And if you have oily to combination skin, stick with Huda Beauty and Dazzle Me. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below and let me know which powders you guys like the most or which videos you want me to make next. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next episode. Bye!